Hey everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. We are jumping right into a really exciting journey today, all about agriculture. We're going to explore exactly how humans and nature team up to take care of the earth and, feed everyone living on it. So let's just dive right in.
Okay, I want you to start by just imagining your absolute favorite meal. Maybe it's a giant bowl of cereal in the morning, a super crisp apple, or a huge plate of spaghetti for dinner. But have you ever actually stopped to wonder where all those delicious ingredients come from? I mean, they don't just magically appear on the grocery store shelves. They have to be grown, and they need a lot of care.
Section 1. What is an agroecosystem?
So, that's our big scientific word for today. Let's break it down. An agroecosystem is basically a system created and managed by people to grow crops like wheat, corn, and vegetables, and to raise animals. It's this incredibly unique space where humans and nature literally work together to produce the things we need to survive.
To put that into perspective, take a look at the amazing details right here. You can see busy tractors getting the soil ready, bright sunflowers soaking up the sun, and huge wooden crates packed with fresh vegetables. Beautiful farms, gardens, and pastures, those are all different types of agroecosystems in the real world.
Section 2. Key features of agroecosystems.
So what makes these human-made farming systems so different from, say, a wild jungle? Well, there are a few key features. First, they are created by humans. Second, they usually have low biodiversity. That just means farmers often grow only a few types of plants, or even just one single crop to make harvesting a lot easier. Third, they need constant care. Farmers have to water, fertilize, and protect their crops from pests constantly. Because of that, fourth, the whole system completely depends on people to survive. But why put in all this hard work? Well, that's our fifth point, high productivity. The ultimate goal here is to safely and efficiently produce massive amounts of food for everyone.
Section 3. Farms versus natural ecosystems.
If you picture a wild forest right next to a planted farm, the biggest difference is this. An agroecosystem absolutely needs human care to survive. If a farmer just stops watering the tomatoes, well, those tomatoes won't make it. But a natural ecosystem, like a wild forest, it's self-sustaining. It takes care of itself and stays perfectly balanced naturally, without any human help whatsoever.
Let's look at a side-by-side comparison. Think about the origin. Farms are created by humans, but forests occur naturally. Then there's diversity. Farms have low diversity with just a few species, while nature is packed with tons of different species. And because farms have fewer species, their food chains are simple and short, whereas natural food chains are incredibly complex and long. Finally, the goal. Farms prioritize high human production, meaning getting as much food as possible. Nature, on the other hand, just focuses on natural balance.
Section 4. Different types of agroecosystems.
Now, farms don't all look the exact same. We have huge croplands filled with wheat, corn, and rice. We've got smaller vegetable gardens growing potatoes and carrots. Then there are orchards packed with fruit trees and massive plantations growing things like tea and coffee. We even use greenhouses, those protected glass buildings that help plants grow all year round, no matter what the weather is doing outside. And of course, we have green pastures and livestock farms for raising animals like cows, sheep, and chickens.
Section 5. Why diversity is important. Let me ask you something. What do you think happens if a farmer grows the exact same plant in the exact same dirt year after year? Well, growing only one crop for a long time actually makes the soil really weak. It also makes it super easy for pests and plant diseases to spread like wildfire. That's exactly why farmers mix things up. They use crop rotation, meaning they plant different crops in different seasons, and mix farming. Adding different plants keeps the soil strong and the farm super productive.
It's basically a giant cycle, and everything is connected. Step 1. Healthy soil. When the dirt is rich and full of nutrients, it leads to step 2, healthy plants. Those healthy plants then provide great food for step 3, healthy animals. And finally, when the plants and animals are thriving, they provide the nutritious food that leads to step 4, healthy people. So taking good care of the dirt beneath our feet literally leads to healthier humans.
Section 6. A sustainable farming future.
Now, are you ready for a truly surprising fact? 38%. About 38% of the Earth's entire land surface is used for agriculture. That is a massive amount of space. It really shows you just how huge of an impact farming has on our whole planet.
Because these agroecosystems take up so much room, and because they provide almost all of the food, clothing, and raw materials we use every single day, we have a really huge responsibility. We have to use this land wisely. Doing that helps us feed everyone today while also protecting our planet for the people of tomorrow.
I'm going to wrap up this explainer by leaving you with this really powerful equation. Sustainable agriculture equals food security plus a healthy planet, which results in a better future. When we work with nature instead of against it, we build an amazing world for everyone. Next time you sit down for your favorite meal, think about the agroecosystems that made it possible, and I'll leave you with this question to think about. What choices can you make in your own everyday life to help protect the ecosystems that feed us all? Thanks for learning with me today.